the Ezme Trimmie Unfiltered 4.0, a trimmer that claims to be specially made for women, waterproof, super gentle, and totally nick-free, even in sensitive areas. Sounds great, right? Well, let's talk about it. So right away, we noticed something odd. The brand shows these amazing result photos, but when we zoomed in, they looked kinda off. And guess what? After a reverse image search, we found those pictures on other websites. If a company can't show real results from real users, how much can we trust their product? Then, there's the marketing. Early Halloween sale, 48% off today only, free shipping today, stock alert, countdown timers. It's like every urgency trick in the book. And they say you'll save $525 a year by using their trimmer instead of razors or waxing. That's a big claim, and honestly, it feels more like they're trying to rush buyers than help them. Next big red flag? They only offer email support, no phone number, no live chat. If something goes wrong, waiting days for a reply isn't fun. For a product you're putting on your skin, you really want a reliable company behind it. Then we tried it. They talk a lot about comfort, waterproof design, and a strong 6,000 RPM motor. But in real use, it didn't feel any smoother than a regular trimmer. It was a little awkward to use, not as gentle as promised, and yes, irritation still happened. So that no razor burn promise? Not quite true in our experience. Their website shows glowing 5-star reviews, almost too perfect. And guess what? Outside their website, crickets. No Trustpilot reviews, no Reddit conversations, only one Facebook review. And that person said they never even received the product and called it a scam. One review isn't enough to decide, but the lack of real feedback says a lot too. So here's the bottom line. We're not saying it's definitely a scam, but there are too many red flags to feel confident recommending it. Copy-pasted images, aggressive sales tricks, weak customer support, barely any real reviews, and performance that doesn't match the hype. It's probably safer to stick to well-known grooming brands with solid feedback and customer service. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Got a product you want us to check out next? Drop it in the comments.